Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Now we are going to discuss about the topic machine learning with big data, challenges and approaches. Then comes the abstract of our process. So the big data revolution promises to transform how we live, work and think by enabling process optimization, empowering insight discovery and improving decision making. The realization of this grand potential relies on the ability to extract value from such massive data through data analytics. Machine learning is at its core because of its ability to learn from data and provide data-driven insights, decisions and predictions. However, traditional machine learning approaches were developed in a different era and thus are based upon multiple assumptions such as the dataset filtering entirely into memory, what unfortunately no longer holds true. In this new context, these broken assumptions, together with the big data characteristics, are creating obstacles for the traditional techniques. Consequently, this paper compiles, summarizes, and organizes machine learning challenges with big data. In contrast to other research that discuss challenges, this work highlights the cause and effect relationship by organizing challenges regarding to big data versus their dimensions that instigated the issue: volume, velocity, veracity. Moreover, emerging machine learning approaches and techniques are discussed in terms of how they are capable of handling the various challenges with the ultimate objective of helping practitioners select appropriate solutions for their use cases. Finally, a matrix relating challenges and approaches is presented. Through this process, the study provides a perspective on the domain, identifies research gaps and opportunities, and provides a strong foundation and encouragement for further research in the field of machine learning with big data. Then comes the flow diagram of our process. So flow diagram shows the overall process diagrammatically. First we are selecting the database and loading the dataset into the database for the further process. So here we are using the bank related dataset for our process. So then after loading the dataset, we are going to manipulate the data and pre-processing has been done. So data processing is an important step in the data mining process. Then if there is much irrelevant and redundant information present or noisy and unreliable data, then knowledge discovery during the training phase is more difficult. So the data preparation and filtering steps are considerable. The data pre-processing include cleaning, instance selection, normalization, transformation, feature selection, and extractions, so something like that. So the next process is supervised learning. So supervised learning is the machine learning task of inferring a function from labeled training data. So the training data consists of a set of training examples. In supervised learning, each example is a pair of consisting of an input object and a desired output value. A supervised learning algorithm analyzes the training data and produces an inferred function which can be used for mapping new examples. So here we are applying three algorithms: support vector transformation, linear regression, and neural networks. So then comes unsupervised learning. So unsupervised machine learning is the machine learning task of inferring a function to describe hidden structure from unlabeled data. A classification or categorization is not included in the observations. Since the examples given to the learner are unlabeled, there is no evaluation of the accuracy of the structure that is output by the relevant algorithm, which is one way of distinguishing unsupervised learning from supervised learning and reinforced learning. So in unsupervised learning, here we applied k-means. Then the overall process will be stored in the HDFS, and map reduce function is applied. Then it will produce the result. Then comes the running procedure of our process. So first we have to run the home.java. This is the home page. So first we are going to select the data set. Here I am loading a bank related dataset. So then we are going to load into database. Dataset loaded successfully. So these are the dataset which we loaded. So here we are comma separated value. This is the. So then we are going to pre-process. So this is the pre-processing step. So first we have to start the pre-processing and remove the unwanted data. So pre-processing completed. So it shows the pre-processed data, and then goes for the supervised learning. So here we are applying supervised learning for the first support vector machine. So support vector machine is the classification algorithm. So here I am classifying the data based on the marital status. So this is the SVM1, that is the classification one. Then second we are applying SVM2. So here I am classifying based on the marital status. So it will show the classification rate. In classification 1 also it will show the classification rate, and classification 2 shows the classification rate for this classification 2. So next this is the linear regression calculation. So first we are taking the two attributes from the dataset. One is the day and the duration of the loan. So first we have to calculate the A value and the B value. So the A value and the B value is calculated based on the data in the data set. So then we have to estimate the linear regression value. So we are now going to estimate. So this is the value, this linear regression value for this data set. So this is a data set which we obtained from the classification, that is the classification 1, SVM1. So then the SVM2 dataset we are using the day and duration attribute. So here also we are calculating the A value and the B value. So the A value and the B value is calculated based on the dataset, and we are going to give the estimate rate, and this is the output we have got. So this is the supervised learning neural network. So the neural network shows the input layer, and it produces the output layer. In between them there will be some hidden layers. So in the hidden layer also we are showing here. So this is the input layer. So I am giving the job as the input, and the process is nothing but it shows the hidden layer processed between the input and the output layer in the algorithm. So this is the process. There are two layers, so hidden layers in our process, and based on the hidden layer, it will shows the output. So this is the result of the neural network. So then we are applying unsupervised learning. So before that we saw about the supervised learning, so now we are going to see about the unsupervised learning, that is the k-means. So here the clustering. So the clustering is, the dataset is clustered for three levels. So level 1, level 2, level 3. So level 1 shows the first kind of cluster, and it shows the centroid. So centroid is the main part in the k-means algorithm. So we have calculated the centroid based on the level 1 cluster, and also centroid for the level 2 cluster, and also for the level 3 cluster. So the centroid level based on these individual clustering. So then we are going to store in the HDFS, and Myproject process will be carried out. So I am going to first upload the file. This will upload the file in the HDFS system. So then MapReduce. So MapReduce is done. So this is the output of MapReduce, and the file will be stored in the HDFS. So this is the DFS location and system. So this is the dataset we loaded in the HDFS. So MapReduce function is done, and the dataset was stored in the HDFS. So that's all about our process. Thank you.